Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Walmart Marketplace step by step clearly. To register with Walmart Marketplace, start by visiting the Walmart Marketplace website. Click on the Sign Up button located on the home page. You will be prompted to create a new account or log in if you already have one. If you're creating a new account, fill in the required fields, including your email address and a secure password. After filling in the details, click on Create Account to proceed. Next, you'll need to provide information about your business. Enter your business name, address, and phone number in the designated fields. Make sure to select the appropriate business type from the drop-down menu. Once your business information is entered, click Continue to go to the next step. Now, you'll need to complete the seller application form. Fill in the necessary details regarding your business model and the products you plan to sell. Be prepared to provide a tax ID or business registration number, as this information is required. After completing the application, review it for accuracy and completeness before submitting. Once submitted, pay attention to any necessary agreements or terms and conditions provided by Walmart. After your application is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email indicating that your application is under review. Allow some time for Walmart to process your application, as this can take a few days. You will be notified via email whether your application has been accepted or if any further information is required. If accepted, follow the instructions provided in the email to set up your seller account. Finally, once your account is set up, you can start listing your products on Walmart Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.